In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your GoDaddy website builder in 2025. This is a great feature if you're looking to share documents, guides, or any kind of downloadable content with your website visitors. We'll go through the process step by step so that you can easily integrate PDFs into your site. To start, head over to the GoDaddy website. You'll need to sign in first, so look for the Sign In button prominently displayed on the home page. Once you click on it, a login page will appear. Ensure you're using the right credentials for your GoDaddy account. If you're not already logged in, you might find it helpful to have your username and password handy to streamline the process. Now that you're in, navigate to your products. You'll want to click on Website, which will direct you to the area where all your website projects are managed. From here, look for the option to Edit Website. Clicking this will take you straight into GoDaddy's website builder, giving you the creative control you need to revise and enhance your site. Inside the builder, you get to decide where exactly you'd like your PDF to appear. Use your layout strategically. When you're ready, find and click the Add Section button. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be enabling a new section dedicated to your PDF content. Next, search for PDF in the tools available. As you do this, GoDaddy will prompt you with options related to PDFs, so whether you're looking to upload a single file or enable an interactive PDF viewer is entirely up to you. Each choice offers different levels of interaction and accessibility for your website users. Once you've made your choice between file types or using a viewer, go ahead and click Add. This action will officially add the new section to your website, ready for you to upload the selected document. Now it's time to include the actual PDF file. Click once more on Add, this time to choose the PDF from your files. Make sure your document is the correct version and format you plan to share with your audience. Before you wrap up, it's always wise to preview your website. Double check how the PDF integrates with the design, ensuring it aligns with your goals and appears correctly to your viewers. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to publish. With just a simple click on the Publish button, your changes will go live on the website. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully added a PDF to your GoDaddy website. Remember to keep your content updated and relevant to maintain engagement with your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!